The problem is, when we start trying to do this stuff, we start to look to the 3D conditions to tell us and delegate our lives. We look to the 3D conditions. Where's the money? Where's my love? Where's my abundance? This is so incorrect and so limiting. In the description, I have a meditation. I want you to have it. I want you to take it and do it every freaking morning, right when you wake up. Right when you wake up, before you go to the bathroom, unless you really got to go. Come on, it happens. But immediately, as fast as you can, even don't lay in bed. As soon as you are awake and you are aware that you are awake now, get up, have it all ready, throw the headphones on, do the meditation. This will set in stone what you want.